So here I have the cake that I did yesterday. So what I will do is I'm going to remove the crusty layer on the top, and since I'm not going to do the chocolate butternut as a cake, I'm going to assemble like a munchkins. So I'll just have to remove this, the top part, the crusty part. It's actually easier to remove. I have actually refrigerated this overnight to cool down hot surface. So what I'm going to do is we are going to put this in this big bowl, and and I'm just going to mix it like that. So I would just need to form a ball, not a bowl, it's a ball, yeah, like that. And then we will dip this in the ganache, chocolate ganache, and then we will coat this with the butternut coating, and we would have to put this in the fridge. Take another one and assemble it in your palm. Of course, guys, you would need to wash your hands when you're doing this, before doing this. Since I don't have a cake pop molder, that's why I'm just doing it like this. Another one. It doesn't necessarily need to be really circle. It just have to be a medium ball, so that it will not Okay, just continue doing that until you have finished all of the cake. Then afterwards, we will continue putting it in the ganache and the chocolate butternut mixture. So I am now making the chocolate ganache. So since my heavy cream is not 1 cup, it's only half a cup. What I did is I put 2 tablespoons of butter. I melt it, and then a little bit more than 1/4 cup of milk, just to make another half a cup of heavy cream. So you mix that in together, and then I will put in the whipping cream for the heavy cream. So you mix that in together. So once that mix, we put that into this boiling water. We will now pour in the 1 cup of the chocolate. So it will be melted. So let's just mix that in milk. So since this pot is already heat or already hot with the boiling water, and then we remove this and set this aside, and we'll just have to mix it, continue mixing it so that the chocolates will melt. I'll be making the butternut toppings. So what we put in is, we put in 2 cups desiccated coconut, which is what I have right now. So I don't have the other cup, so I'll be pouring 4 of this. So that's half a cup. And we pour in the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And then afterwards, we put in 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And then since I don't have an orange food coloring, is what I will do is I will put 1 drop of this red food coloring and 1 drop of this yellow food coloring, so we can make an orange food coloring. And then we put in half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder. There you go. And then what we will have to do is we will mix this all together. So mix this all in together. No, the food coloring is not mixing very well with the other ingredients. So we continue to mix that. When you already have a mixture like this, look, it's kind of reddish orangey mixture, or that has already incorporated in the desiccated coconut. We will put this here and we will dry bake this. So put everything in here. Just arrange it well. So just distribute it in the baking paper, parchment paper. So when the chocolate has already melted, all of it, just set this aside to cool down a little bit. While we are waiting for our butternut coating, which is now in the oven, and we'll just wait for about 8 minutes more, since I've already put it in a little while ago. So when you have already molded the cake to balls, what we will now do is we're going to dip it in this chocolate ganache, and then we will roll it here in our chocolate butternut coating, and then we will put this here and we will have to fridge that for an hour. Okay, so we will try one. So I will dip it here, and then just let the other chocolate drip, so we will still have plenty of it. And then afterwards, put some here, and then we will coat this here. Just continue coating it. Just continue coating the other part. Don't overcook the coconut, which is I did. So the color is not that or red orangey anymore. So here is it, and then we put it here. So just continue doing it with the other chocolate molded ball. So I'll just put that. Just put that there.